Hi, my name is Daniel Charri Vargas, and I talk about winter for Neiva. On Monday, the winter will be sunny and rainy and cloudy. The temperature will be 28 and 16 centigrade. On Monday, you can go to work in the morning and read the book. Uh, and in the night you can go to the gym because the winter is rainy and cloudy and go to supermarket. This is the winter sunny. This is the the mist of sun and cloudy, and this is the change of a shower. Esto light a rain and cloudy. In the morning is cloudy, uh, rainy, and Sunday. The Thursday, um, is the winter will be mist a rain and a cloud. The temperature uh, will be 24 and 16 centigrade. On Thursday you can watching TV and take a homework, and you can swimming pool uh, and play soccer. Uh, the Wednesday, the Wednesday is the Wednesday the weather will be mainly sunny. The temperature will be 30 and 3 centigrades. On Wednesday, you can go camping and go to the park with your girlfriend, and you can stay in the home. Um, the Thursday, the weather of Friday will be a mix of sun and a clouds. The temperature will be 9 and 5 centers. The Thursday, you can take a picture and go to eat of places, and you can go visit your sugar mom and go to cinema. The Friday, the weather will be change of a shower. Change of a shower. This is change of a shower. Esto, uh, the temperature will be 20 and 7 centigrade. The Friday, you can listen the music and play 8 and you can go to the disco and go to eat uh, on other places. Uh, this is winter of all the winters, and no more. Bye.